The permutations of T and V image pairs. Here we have T and V image pairs representing the common fundamental. We can see the common fundamental designated by the superscripts, in this case 2, and we can see in this case 1. We can see in this case 3, and so forth, with a single anti-image. And we can say here's a single anti-image over here, designated by the superscripts 1. We can see here single anti-images, and again single anti-images, or the permutations of T and anti-V image pairs with a single image pair. So here we have anti-V and anti-T designated by the superscript 3, and we have an image, single image associated with it, and a single image associated with this pair, and as we'll see, so forth. Well, these compose what may be termed generic Rishon elements. In the position of the odd member, these image are anti-images within a group determines the color of the generic Rishon element. So this group representing a Rishon element, its color is determined by this anti-image, which we can say in this case is red. And up here we have an anti-image pair with an image. Green determine its color of that group. And we can see here that the position is actually to the right, to the left, I mean. And here we have the position is in the middle. And in this case we have orange and blue as the colors that are determined by that middle position. And then over here we have to the left these image and anti-image singlets, which are to the left determining the colors purple and yellow. So each generic Rishon element has a complementing partner. And so what that means is we look at this Rishon element, which has V and T designated by the superscript 2, and it has this anti-image element 1 determining the color of that group. Well, we should be able to find another V and T pair with the anti-image 3. If we go here, we can see that we have a 2 and a 2 again here, and we have the anti-image 3. So that's the complementing partner. And each of these, whether images or anti-images, will always have a complementing partner. Here we have 3 and 3. And if we go here, we have 3 and 3. And here's the complementing partner of this 3 and 3. But in this case, the colors are designated by images with 1 and 2. And so each generic Rishon element has a complementing partner and an anti-partner. So if we look at this one again, and we see that we have a V and T, we should find an anti-V and 2 designated 2. and this is A. So we go over here to B. And if we go here, we see now we have anti-2s. And we now have its image, remember, determining its color of its anti-partner with a 2 and a 2. And so in that way, we can say in an A group, if we can find a anti-pair or a pair in the B group, we should be able to find its anti-partner, its partner or anti-partner. So just to reiterate, we have said the permutations of T and V image pairs representing a common fundamental designated by the superscripts with a single anti-image, or the permutations of a T and V anti-image pair with a single image compose what may be termed generic Rishon elements. The position of the odd member, the image or anti-image, within a group determines the color of that generic Rishon element. And of course, each generic element will have a complementing partner, meaning that if its anti-partners here are designated 1, there should be anti-partners also designated 3. And its anti-partner, which in this case we have this T and V designated 2, then we can go here and find the T and V designated 2 that are anti-T's and V's.